Hi, my name's Tony Lamb. I'm the Business Manager for Trend Micro over here at Distributor. What is MSP? Generally speaking, it's a managed service provider. But what it is from a vendor's perspective is a licensing mechanism so you can build your own IP around their solution. What does that mean for the partner? It means that you can build a solution catered to your customer base, whether that customer is endpoint only, so they have a lot of devices such as iPhones, laptops and desktops. You can actually protect that. If they have some cloud solutions, you can also look at protecting that cloud solution such as Office 365. But if they also have a hybrid cloud solution, you can also look at protecting that, such as Azure, AWS or Google. So depending on where your client is and their journey to the cloud, you can protect all those components. What makes this very effective for you is you can actually bring them towards a journey to actually protect their whole workloads out there in the world. Now, let's say for instance, you're an MSP that works with digital transformation. It is very important to understand what workloads you're protecting. If your workloads are in the cloud, then you need to protect those components that are important to them. Whether that be Azure, you need to have a look at deep security, so you can tick that in the Trend Micro LMP. LMP standing for License Managing Portal. We can do that on a per machine basis or per user basis as well. Say for instance, if they use Office 365, you can protect each user instance, protecting the mailbox, SharePoint, OneDrive, and even Teams. What this means is a lot of the threats that come into those components are stopped even before they're in there. And once they're there, you can protect the endpoint as well. So it gives you added protection. We talk about defense in depth with regards to cybersecurity, and this makes so much sense for the MSP program. You can protect each one of those vectors so that you're secure. Now, why MSP for you guys out there in the world? You may buy perpetual licenses out there. These are lumpy type solutions and come seasonally or when renewals are up. What a MSP program allows you to do is go per month. So let's say for instance, if someone's coming off a perpetual license, you can say, hey, how about if we go into a monthly solution for you, and we'll start with one security solution. And then maybe 3 or 6 months later, you go, actually, we believe that you are more protected by using multiple components of that solution or other solutions that can protect it. That defense in depth comes into play again. The next question is, how do you get involved with Trend Micro MSP? The first step is to reach out to Distributor. What we will do then is we'll send in our Trend Micro BDM, and they will have a look at your solution set and see which one's appropriate for you. Make you understand which one needs to be protected, and then we go through that journey with you. We don't leave you there by yourself. MSP solution is not a set and forget. It's basically have a look at what's there, build solutions upon it, and build your recurring revenue as you go along. After the BDM has shown you the solution, we will have touch points so that you will understand the latest security offerings and also licensing mechanisms inside the Trend Micro MSP solution so you can actually build a more robust recurring revenue. If there are a few things you need to consider when thinking about MSP, is have a look at the solutions you have today and how you replicate that in a monthly recurring way. This allows you to have a set of solutions you can go to any new client so that you can say, Mr. Customer, these are solutions I can give to you for this charge per month. And then you have bolt-on solutions on top of that. A few of the other things that you consider is, what type of security provider are you? Are you one that is a set and forget, or is it one that you want to proactively provide information to your customers to fully protect them? And also moving into the training component. Distributor can help you with all those components as you're ready. We'll send in our resources, understand what your requirements are, and we'll move on from there. The other thing is to have a look at all the other MSP programs that Distributor have for you, so you can build that recurring revenue not only in the security space, but in all the other space that Distributor can provide. And thank you for your time.